For What It's Worth by Buffalo Springfield. This isn't just a song. It was a warning, a mirror. And nearly 60 years later, that mirror is still pointed at us. In 1966, Los Angeles imposed a curfew on young people. It wasn't about safety, it was about control. And when the teenagers pushed back, as teenagers do, the Strip turned into a battleground. Sound familiar? The fight was never about curfews. It was about who decides how free you really are and what freedom really means. And Stephen Stills captured that tension in a handful of lines. No manifestos, no sermons, just a reflection of a nation on edge. Fast forward to today. School shootings have been relentless for years. And the authoritarian style of the Trump regime has carved our already divided country into trenches, not just camps. And the recent murder of Charlie Kirk has only poured gasoline on that fire. Every generation hears this song and thinks it was written for them. And it is, because the cycle hasn't broken. We're still marching. We're still divided more than ever. And we're still afraid. Stephen Stills wrote this nearly 60 years ago. And maybe the real question is, what happens when it finally stops being relevant?